We need your help to rescue a remarkable survivor from England's history.
Shrewsbury Flaxmill Maltings epitomises the Victorian age. The first iron frame building in the world, a gaslit, steam-powered wonder. It was a place of revolution and innovation.
The mill's pioneering construction techniques led to some of the world's most famous skyscrapers, notably the Empire State Building in New York and the Gherkin in London.
In 1897, this engineering marvel took centre stage in Shrewsbury celebrations for Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. Civic works were erected across the globe. In Shrewsbury, the people had a very special coronation of their own. They crowned their best building to show their pride.
122 years on, and the Flaxmill Maltings is being restored by historic England to be turned into a new enterprise and learning hub for the local community.
But a cast iron crown atop is in urgent need of care and attention.
The ironwork's fractured, the paintwork's peeling, the crowning glory of Shropshire's industrial past is fading fast.
We need £26,000 to carefully remove the ornate cast iron coronet and transport it to a specialist metal conservation workshop for restoration. The paint will be analysed, the fractured ironwork will be repaired, and missing elements will be faithfully recreated. The crown will be repainted in its original colours before being reassembled and reinstalled for another century of use. We can restore the Jubilee Crown, but we need your help.
I think it will make a big difference to the area.
It might make people want to move around this area more.
This end of the town, like, it's more or less dead, but now this is coming up again, like this will bring it back.
It would be a nice place to hang out.
Shrewsbury Flaxmill Maltings is one of the most important buildings of the modern age. Help us to restore the Jubilee Crown and donate. Together we can save a remarkable piece of Shropshire's history.